can stare so deep in your eyes. I touch on you more and more every time. When you leave, I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2, 3 times in a row. Such a funny thing for me to try to explain. How I'm feeling and my pride is the one to blame. Yeah, 'cause I know I don't understand just how your love can do what no one else can. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me looking so crazy right now. Got me hoping you page me right now. Your kiss got me hoping you save me right now. Looking so crazy, your love's got me looking so crazy, your love.
Sa pagkumpas ng iyong kamay, aking landas.
Hi, Lalaw. I know we're both excited today. And almost 1 year din ang preparation natin for this day. Mas lalo pa natin nakilala ang isa't isa. Nagkaroon man tayo ng mga di pagkakaunawaan. Pero agad din naman natin nasosolve.
If you find more reasons why you have to remain and why you have to fall in love with each other, then you could have always reasons to stay and to be with each other.
I was not perfectly designed for you, but instead, you are more than perfect to be with me.
Jake, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Jam na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Sa bawat kailan.
Masasabi ko na worth it lahat yun at least ngayon. We both know that we are truly ready for this new chapter of our life.
Because love, after all, is transcendental. Love should lead you to transcend, first, yourself, and secondly, the situation. Patandaan niyo yan. Bahagi ng pag-iisang dibdib ang pagpapaubaya.
Thank you, love, kasi alam kung gaano mo ako kamahal. Lagi mo naman pinaparamdam yun sa akin.
Today, right as of this moment, I am going to marry the girl who completed me, who made me feel happy, and most of all, the one I can't live without.
Yours, here right now, the kind of night we dream about.
Hindi pwedeng simpleng, o ayoko niyan, ayoko nito. O kung ano gusto mo, yun ang gusto mo. Kung ano gusto ko, yun ang gusto ko. Hindi ganon.
In life, nothing is certain. You'll never know what will happen. I never expected that someone like you will come into my messy life.
Jam, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Jake na naririto ngayon? Alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan.
Opo, Father.
Jake, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging may bahay si Jam
Opo, Father.
na naririto ngayon? Alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
I'm so happy kasi natupad na naman ang isa sa mga pangarap ko at ikaw yun. Ang makasama kahabang buhay.
Jam, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Jake na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Never grew up and lived like you just get one tonight.
So, Jam, Maya, love, be it. Hear these words of mine. I promise to you that I will respect you, I will be honest to you, I will always be here for you, and most of all, I will forever and ever love you. From your loving husband, Jake.
Jamea Flor,
Jake Romer,
kailanman
ay di kita pagtataksilan
isuot mo
at pagkaingatan
ang singsing na ito
na siyang tanda
ng aking pag-ibig
at katapatan
sa ngalan ng Ama
at ng Anak.
at ng Espiritu Santo.
Amen.
Love like we never grew up. Live like you just get one tonight. We're kids.
All these years, the only thing that makes me feel complete was you.
One blink and it's over. Wake up, we're older tonight. We're kings and queens.
I promise na mamahalin at aalagaan kita habang buhay, pati rin na rin ang magiging anak natin. I love you, my loves. Hintayin mo ako sa simbahan at tatakbo na rin ako papunta sa'yo dahil excited na ako. Your beautiful bride, Maya.